So today I cleaned out the refrigerator because the refrigerator was pretty messy. So now it's all nice and shiny and clean. And I made salsa, a fresh batch of salsa and rice. And I'm working on beans just so we can have those things always on hand. But yeah, here's the refrigerator again, nice and clean. Yeah, probably need more vegetables and things, but yeah, really clean. Makes me feel really good. Oh, so much better. It was so bad before this, and I always have to clean out the fridge every once in a while.